How to reset your Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro MR6500. In this video, we'll show you how to reset your Netgear Nighthawk M6 Pro MR6500. There are two ways to reset the device: through the device settings and via the management website. First, let's start with resetting through the device itself. Begin the process by navigating to the home screen of your Nighthawk M6 Pro. Tap on Settings to open the device menu. Select Options button to access additional settings. Choose Factory Reset from the available options. Tap Reset Now to initiate the reset process. When prompted, tap Continue to confirm the reset. Your device will now restart and will be reset to its original factory settings. Let's now proceed to reset using the web management interface. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the Nighthawk's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and type URL, a TWIFA manager in the address bar, and tap Enter. Log in using the credentials, i.e. username and password. Once logged in successfully, tap on Settings. In the left-hand menu, click Administration. Scroll down and select Factory Reset. Click Reset to confirm and initiate the reset process. The device will reset and reboot to default factory settings. Congratulations, your Nighthawk M6 Pro is now reset to factory settings and ready to be configured again. If you found this guide helpful, please like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned with the best setup connectivity troubleshooting videos. Thank you.